What's up, you guys? Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Today's makeup transformation, we are turning ourselves into the mask from the Jim Carrey movie. Now, this makeup look is actually pretty simple, but it does include a foam latex prosthetic, which I had made myself. So if you are willing to make a foam latex prosthetic, or if you want to make it out of gelatin, or if you want to make it out of just latex and cotton balls, you are free to do so. But basically, I am putting on a bald cap and then applying the prosthetic to my face with Prozaid, which is just a adhesive, as y'all know. Glue it to my face and make sure that the edges are flat to the surface. Once the prosthetic is on, then go in with Bondo, which is a thicker cream adhesive, to really flatten out those edges. Once the adhesives have dried, it is time to start painting the prosthetic. I have gone through a multiple variety of greens because I didn't know which one would actually look appropriate for the mask. So as you can see here, I'm kind of going between dark greens, army greens, neon greens, and settling with this bright Kelly looking green. I guess it's not really Kelly green, but it is like a, what would you call that? A grass green? This is a grassy green face. Anyway, powder yourself down and then go in with eyeshadows to really put in some highlight and shadow points. I'm putting yellow on a lot of the highlighting points and then blending it in with a lime green color. Then for the darker shadow areas, I'm using a dark green, also mixed with a bit of gray and black as well to give us some shadow into this mask. Now for the mask's lips, he has very dark lips. So I'm using, I think this is just a MAC like berry color, and when you put it against the green, it makes it look even darker than it actually is in the tube, which is fine because the lips are supposed to be very, very dark. Now for the teeth, we're going to use this hillbilly denture piece. I'm using polymorph plastic to shape it to my actual teeth, and it'll actually keep the prosthetic in my mouth. Now it's time to get changed. We got to change our shirt, throw on a tie, put on a yellow suit and a yellow hat, and then we are the mask. Now for the hat, you're actually going to need to find a pheasant feather. This is a very long brown speckled feather, and just place it right into the hat. And you're done. Thanks for watching another day of 31 Days of Halloween, you guys, and I will see you tomorrow with another look. Bye-bye.